The dictation will start in 5 seconds. My government has worked continuously to strengthen the spirit of cooperative federalism enshrined in the Constitution. It has been the endeavor of the government to enable the state governments to undertake development work in their respective states in a more effective manner. In line with this objective, my government took the decision to provide the states with 10% additional shares in taxes as per the recommendations of the Finance Commission. At this time, the whole world is talking about Kumbh underway at Prayagraj. For this colossal event, world class infrastructure and other facilities on a permanent basis have been developed at a fast pace. The confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati is setting an impressive example of cleanliness and modern management. Ganga is not just a river for us, but is like a mother to us, a living symbol of our culture and faith. To keep Ganga clean is our sacred duty. Under the Namami Ganga mission projects worth rupees 25,000 crores have been approved so far. My government is engaged with the task of cleaning up of the river Ganga by diverting dozens of major drains, stopping flow of industrial effluent, and by setting up several sewage treatment plants in the cities. Honorable members, every citizen and the government are duty bound to honor the contribution of national heroes, carrying forward the tradition of honoring the builders of modern India by government has dedicated to the nation the National Salt Satyagrah Memorial at Dandi on the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Kranti Mandir, a museum in Delhi dedicated to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, has been opened to public this month. The government has also initiated Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award in his honor. The government has developed 5 sacred places associated with Baba Saheb Ambedkar as Panch Tatra. The nation had paid tribute to the Iron Man of India Sardar Patel by building the Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue in the world. My government is setting up museums in various states in the memorial of the country's tribal freedom fighters. My government has conferred the Bharat Ratna on Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya and Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2015. This year, it has been decided to confer Bharat Ratna on Netaji Deshmukh, Bhupen Hazarika, and Pranav Mukherjee by conferring national awards on the basis of merit and without any discrimination to those citizens who have worked selflessly for the welfare of the people. My government has demonstrated country's commitment towards the ideals of sacrifice and service. This month, to commemorate the Prakash Parv of Guru Govind Singh Ji, the government has released a special coin